everyone, I'm Seohee teacher. Today I'm going to read the story, The Magic Fish. Once upon a time, there were a fisherman and his wife who lived together in an old hut near the sea. The fisherman was happy with his life, but his wife wasn't. I'm so tired of cleaning this old hut. One day on a boat, the fisherman was sitting, waiting to catch a fish. Right then, his fishing rod slightly trembled. When he pulled it out, he had caught a large golden fish. When the fisherman tried to hold him, the golden fish started to talk.
Listen, please put me back into the water. I'm not an ordinary fish, but an enchanted prince. If you set me free, I will make your wish come true.
Shocking, the fisherman freed the golden fish to swim back in the water.
No, Nate. I have never seen a talking fish before. Of course, I will let you go.
The fisherman returned home with great excitement and told his wife the whole story. Why would you make a wish? The wife asked angrily. Go back and make a wish for a new house. The fisherman who wanted to make his wife happy went back to the sea and called the magic fish.
Golden fish in the sea, I just wanna make a wish. Come again, tick tock, magic fish.
The golden fish came out of the water. What do you want, fisherman? My wife wanna have a new hut, a clean and nice house, said the fisherman. Go home, now your wife has a new house, said the golden fish. The fisherman ran back home and saw his wife stand in front of the big house. A few days later, his wife made another request. I'm not happy with your new house. I want to have a palace, big palace. The fisherman went to the sea to find the golden fish. The golden fish appeared and asked, what do you want this time? My wife wants to own a palace, a big palace. The golden fish nodded. The fisherman went back home again and saw his wife in a big palace. The next morning, his wife woke the fisherman up and made another request. I'm not happy with this palace. I want to be a queen of the sea. The fisherman ran again and made another wish. My wife wants to be a queen of the sea. Please make this wish come true. The golden fish thought for a while and nodded. Go home, your wife is a queen of the sea now. When the fisherman went home again, there was nothing, no house and no wife. The fisherman called the golden fish. Where is my wife? I want my wife back, please. She is under the water. I fulfilled the wish, said the golden fish. Oh no, I want to make my wish. I want to live with my wife happily forever. The golden fish nodded. The fisherman ran home hurriedly and found his wife and the old hut, just like in the old days. I couldn't realize the worst of what I had. I'm so happy that I come back to you, said his wife. From that day on, the fisherman's wife understood even the smallest things can bring happiness. If you enjoyed the story, please subscribe and like the video. Bye!